Good morning, and thanks for joining us on Frhstv. I'm Gianna Carosa.
And I'm Joshvin. And Gianna, there are a ton of spring sports starting out.
Yeah, they're just having their first scrimmages of the season, so that's pretty exciting. We've also been having some nice weather, so that's fun for them, at least when they get to play. If it's outside, they get some nice warm weather. Hopefully everybody's enjoying it as well.
Yeah, it is certainly an exciting time, but for now, let's get on to our announcements. Can you please rise for the pledge to our flag?
The Math Help Desk is available today in room 240 with Miss Barefoot, on Wednesday in room 232 with Miss Musual, and on Thursday and Friday in room 121 with Mr. Boggs. The Writing Lab will be available today in room 223 with Mrs. Leopold, and on Thursday with Mrs. Leopold. If you need specific help, please email the teacher listed to set up an appointment. Congratulations to Alana Arnovich and Gavin Litchok, who were selected to advance to this year's PMEA All-State Orchestra Festival. The students will represent FRHS in the Poconos at Kalahari Resort at the end of April. If you're interested in attending Forbes Road CTC, they are holding an open house on March 12th from 6 to 8 p.m. Please stop by the Counseling Center for more information.
If you need a little extra help in chemistry, the Chem Help Desk will be available today in room 103 with Dr. Connolly, and on Thursday in room 105 with Miss Fenton. If you are interested in any of the military service academics, West Point and other U.S. military service academies will have an information seminar on Wednesday, April 15th at St. Vincent College and the Fred Rogers Center at 6:30 p.m. The Helping Homebound Heroes Club is hosting their spring volleyball tournament on Monday, March 23rd through Thursday, March 26th during QRT to help raise money for wounded veterans. See Mr. Jackson to sign up. A 6-player team will cost $10 per player. The deadline to sign up is Friday, March 20th. Now let's check out the sports with Anthony.
Josh, the softball team had their first scrimmage yesterday. They battled it out with Fox Chapel. The girls scored 2 runs, but were unable to hold off the Foxes, who came out ahead 8-2. The boys tennis team defeated Indiana yesterday in their first match of the year. The boys volleyball team defeated Penn Hills yesterday in 3 sets. In sports matchups for today, the boys volleyball team will travel to Gateway for a 5 p.m. scrimmage, and the girls lacrosse team will travel to Shaler for a 6 p.m. scrimmage. Good luck to all of our athletes. Now let's check out what's for weather with Emerson.
Thanks guys. This week we will start to see some warm weather. If you liked yesterday's warm weather, you'll like today's with a high of 71 and a low of 56, one of the highest temperatures we've seen since the summer. Then into tomorrow, it looks to cool down a bit, with some showers throughout the day reaching a high of 68 and a low of 33. Thursday is the coldest we'll see all week with a high of 42 and a low of 30, so there will be some clouds in the sky that day, so wear a hoodie. Friday will bring the temperature back up with a high of 56 degrees and a low of 32 degrees. Saturday is back to being chilly again with a high of 47 degrees and a low of 39, but Sunday makes up for it when we get some drizzles, but it will reach a high of 69 and a low of 47. This warm weather better stay because I want to get outside more often. This is all that we have for you today. We'll be back next week with another weather update. Back to you guys at the desk.
Thanks, Emerson, for that weather update.
And thank you for joining us. Have a great rest of your day.